Initiating simulation 055. Don't tap on the glass. T-0. You are sealed inside a glass box, and you have just been dropped over the Mariana Trench. At 300 meters, you pass the crush depth of a nuclear submarine. The light from the sun is fading fast. The water is turning freezing cold. At 1,000 meters, you enter the midnight zone. There is absolutely no sunlight. You are sinking through a cold, liquid void. You aren't alone. Bioluminescent predators drift past the glass. Giant squid the size of school buses hunt in the dark. But they aren't the real danger. The real danger is physics. You reach the abyssal zone. The weight of the ocean above you is now exerting over 8 tons of pressure per square inch. That is the equivalent of having a fully loaded semi-truck parked on every single inch of this glass box. The walls begin to scream. You hit the bottom. Challenger Deep. 7 miles down. The deepest, darkest, most hostile place on planet Earth. The glitch is simple. Nothing is indestructible. At this depth, an implosion doesn't take seconds. It takes milliseconds. Simulation result. You wouldn't even have time to register the pain. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.